Unraveling the Mystery. Flogging a Dead Horse. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English idioms and phrases. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting expression, flogging a dead horse. This phrase has a rich history and a meaning that might surprise you. So, let's get started and find out what it really means to flog a dead horse, and how you can use this expression in your daily conversations. Flogging a dead horse is an idiom that vividly depicts a rather futile situation. To understand this phrase, let's break it down. The word flog means to beat or whip, and it's easy to imagine that such an action would be ineffective if the horse is already dead. Thus, the phrase metaphorically suggests trying to achieve something that is impossible or wasting time and effort on a lost cause. The origin of flogging a dead horse is quite interesting and dates back to the 17th century. It was first used to describe pointless labor or efforts. The metaphor implies that just as beating a dead horse will not make it do any work, spending time on a hopeless task or argument is equally unproductive. Using flogging a dead horse in conversation or writing can add flair and expressiveness. It's typically used to advise someone against continuing an effort that's clearly going nowhere. For example, arguing with him is like flogging a dead horse. He's never going to change his mind. I think we're just flogging a dead horse trying to get this old car to start again. Flogging a dead horse is more than just an odd phrase. It's a colorful way to describe an effort that's unlikely to bear fruit. We hope this exploration has helped you understand and appreciate the richness of English idioms. Remember, learning a language is not just about grammar and vocabulary, it's also about embracing the culture and history behind the words. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful videos. Keep practicing, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more English learning tips.